Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper, where we prepare you for the unexpected. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of survival: staying connected when the grid goes down. Whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or something more severe, communication is key. Let's explore some reliable methods to keep you connected during a crisis. First up, ham radios. These are a favorite among preppers for good reason. Ham radios, or amateur radios, allow for long-distance communication without relying on the internet or cell towers. They can transmit over hundreds of miles, making them invaluable in a disaster scenario. To use a ham radio, you'll need a license, which involves passing a basic exam. But trust me, the knowledge and skills you gain are worth it. You'll learn about frequencies, equipment, and even how to communicate using Morse code. Plus, there are ham radio communities worldwide that you can connect with for support and information. Ham radios are especially useful because they can connect you with emergency services and other preppers, even when traditional communication lines are down. It's like having a lifeline to the outside world in your hands. Next, let's talk about walkie-talkies. These are great for short-range communication and don't require any licenses. They're perfect for coordinating with your family or group within a few miles. When choosing walkie-talkies, look for features like weather resistance, long battery life, and multiple channels. Some models even have built-in weather alerts and emergency channels. They're ideal for staying in touch during local emergencies or when you're out in the wilderness. Walkie-talkies come in various models with different ranges and capabilities. Some high-end models can reach up to 35 miles under optimal conditions, though obstacles like buildings and terrain can reduce this range. It's essential to test them in your environment to understand their limitations. Now, let's move on to a more traditional method: signal mirrors. These are simple yet effective for long-distance visual signaling, especially in daylight. They're compact, lightweight, and require no batteries. To use a signal mirror, you aim the reflected sunlight towards your target. It can be seen from miles away, making it a great backup when other methods fail. Practice aiming the mirror to ensure you're ready when you need it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take some time to learn how to align the mirror and target the flash accurately. This method has been used by the military and search and rescue teams for decades due to its reliability. The best approach to emergency communication is to combine these methods. Use ham radios for long-distance communication, walkie-talkies for local coordination, and signal mirrors as a backup. Redundancy is crucial in a crisis. If one method fails, you have others to rely on. Run regular drills with your family or group to ensure everyone knows how to use each device. Familiarity with your equipment can make all the difference in a survival situation. That's it for today's episode on emergency communications. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest survival tips and tricks. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep connected.